guys, today we're gonna make a Pong game in Scratch. Now, if you want to do it by yourself, you can get on Scratch 3 or download it and then get on it on your laptop and go to tutorials and then press Pong game and then you'll know how to make it. I'll put it right here. Okay, Pong game. First, let's add a random backdrop. You can choose any backdrop or draw a backdrop. I want to choose XY grid. Now, we get a ball character, so we'll just delete this character. Yep. And then add a new character right here and search for ball. You can do any ball, baseball, basketball, tennis ball, or even this orange. I want to be a little silly, so I will do orange. So now when this clicked, point in direction 45. Now, forever move 15 steps. If on edge, bounce. Now, we get a new character, that is the paddle. So we'll find the paddle. So we go to the P's. Should be here. Yep. Now when this clicked, forever set X to mouse X. Now we'll add a line. Well, not exactly yet, but when it tells us to. Now I'll go to the ball character, or whatever circle it is, and then we'll do when this clicked, forever, if touching paddle, if touching paddle, then turn 180 degrees, move 15 steps, and wait 0.5 seconds. 0.5 seconds. Now let's make a variable, and it will be called score. So, score. Uppercase or lowercase, whatever you pick. Score. Now, change score by 1 here. Now, when this clicked, set score to 0. Now, we add the line character. So we go to the L's. Nope, we're behind the L's. So it's hard to find the L's. Sasha? Okay. else? Wait, yeah, here. Found this line. Now we'll put it right here. Then, when this clicked, so when this clicked, forever, if touching ball, well, orange, if it's an orange or any ball, then stop all. Now you got the game. Now it's a Pong game. Thank you guys for playing. Please like and subscribe because there will be more videos coming soon. Bye.